Growing your hair is not an easy task. Keeping it healthy throughout the process is even harder. Being surrounded by damage-causing factors, having issues like hair fall, dandruff, breakage, splitting, and deteriorating scalp health has become commonplace. It has created a high demand in the market for products that claim to fix the said problems. It is an extraordinary task to find something that works, as companies use cheap chemicals to create products to solely make a profit. Cayenne pepper is one such ingredient that helps maintain hair health, making the hair growth process a cakewalk. Benefits: Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which is a compound that stimulates hair growth. The capsaicin stimulates blood circulation to the hair follicles, which ensures better nutrition and healthier hair growth. It also helps stimulate dormant hair follicles, and this helps increase hair volume and thickness. Topical use can make hair shiny, soft, and more manageable. How to use cayenne pepper for hair growth. Olive oil and cayenne pepper. You will need 5-6 cayenne peppers, 1 cup olive oil. Processing time, 1 hour. Process: chop the pepper into tiny pieces and to it add the olive oil. Pour the mixture into a jar and store it in a cool, dark place for 10-15 days. Ensure that the oil is stored away from sunlight. Strain the oil and discard the peppers. Take 2-3 tablespoons of the cayenne infused oil. Section your hair and apply this oil to your scalp and to the length of your hair until all of it is covered. Leave the oil in for an hour and then shampoo and condition. Castor oil and cayenne pepper. You will need 2 tablespoons ground cayenne pepper, 1 cup castor oil. Processing time, 30 minutes. Process: combine the 2 ingredients and store them in a jar, away from sunlight for 2 weeks. Take 1 tablespoon of the oil mixture and apply it to your scalp while gently massaging it in with your fingertips. Let the oil sit for 30 minutes and proceed to shampoo. Apple cider vinegar and cayenne pepper. You will need 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 drop liquid cayenne extract. Processing time, 1 hour. Process: combine the 2 ingredients in a bowl. Using your fingertips, rub the mixture into your scalp and gently massage. Leave it for an hour and then proceed to rinse it out with water. You can repeat this up to twice a week.